Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today I would like to return back to discussion on the pattern that we are watching for on the euro currency. This is the potential brand by the sell trade. In general, guys, situation stands not quite simple with this pattern because it's not quite clear patterns are forming right now. And personally, guys, of course, we would like to get the clear patterns of the starting point of the brand by on intraday charts. But right now it's not the case, so that's why our analysis could become it could become not quite correct. But I just will share you with you what personally I see right now on the euro currency, and for me it seems that it really has the chance to start right now, but I am a bit confused with it's not quite strong reaction to the downside on the euro currency that usually stands with the brand body, and the fact that market was able to touch here, as you can see, a small spike up, another spike up. It could touch here the 50% resistance area, but it hasn't quite reached it. So I know that the euro currency likes the 50% levels. That's why initially I thought that maybe market will still will be able to touch this area, but this hasn't happened. And this makes this analysis a bit tricky, since it really could be some another action to the upside here. But maybe this will not happen, and I hope that this will not happen, because market also has formed some other patterns that now point on the possible downward continuation. And we will try to make the decision, understand what's really going on right now. So as we said yesterday, overall pattern right now in place. So we have thrust down within the three closes above the 3x3 right here. Market has hit the major fib resistance 1035 area. Also, guys, we said that this retracement should not be too extended here, because we previously discussed the bearish view on the euro currency and said that we need to try to take the position in the most safest moment to protect ourselves from a possible loss if market occasionally will turn down and will decide to continue move higher, because this point, as you know, the final invalidation point for a daily ABCD pattern. I mean on this one, ABCD. Alright, and right now market stands at the final support, so market will break it down, so the next destination will be 105 area. The 618 target from this major large A, B, C, D pattern. So in fact this is some kind of the guardrail triple to sell. We have discussed this already. So that's why this area is important, and we need to get the position in a moment that will let us to exit without any loss, or even with a profit. And hopefully and thankfully we can see that we've got the setup of the brand by the sell that gives us this opportunity to take the position with the minimum risk. So right now we just need to not make any mistake with the correct entry point. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see also that market was struggling with this resistance that we have initially pointed, and has failed to pass through it. So this was the first attempt on the non-farm parallel release. Market has failed, pull back. Next session you can see another challenge of this resistance, again failure. So this is the monthly pivot point, fib level, and previous consolidation of the some kind of the failure head and shoulders. So this former confluence resistance that has been broken. Recall this moment, we also have talked about it, and that's why we have used this area as the possible area where a brand body could start. I think that it's really big chances that it will start here, but it's a bit difficult decision, because you need to take the make the choice where to place the stop perfectly if the stop will be placed above the 50% resistance area. I will explain why this will be perfect, but at this moment, if we place stop here, you can see the distance between the current market and the stop and current market potential target, that's 618 support from the whole move up, so be approximately 1-to-1. So this is not really very attractive risk-reward ratio. At the same, placing stop tighter to the market could lead to the situation where the brand body still will be valid. For example, if market will trying to move slightly higher or something of that sort, and will happen a bit later, but this will wash out our order if we will place it tighter to the market, and then continue move dropping lower. So this is the additional risk, and mostly this risk stands due to the lack of the clear patterns that have been formed right now on the market. So our major picture to watch for is the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we have a bit tricky situation. So the only pattern, guys, that I have found is the megaphone pattern. It's widening top, and it already has been confirmed by the breakout down. That's why I think that the brand body really has not bad chances to start right here. Okay. Now market stands at the minor retracement. Theoretically, we should take the position here, right at the moment of the retesting of this border, and take a look. That also will coincide with the confluence resistance around 110 even area. This probably also will be the previous consolidation. As you can see, this market supports will be resistance again. So that's the moment where we should take the position short. Stop could be placed, for example, somewhere about 110.25, this next 618 fib resistance, because the market will return it back down. This will be returned back inside of this triangle, and it will increase the chance that we could get another action to the upside. Another pattern that makes me think that the brand body will start, and already is starting, is this action. Take a look, guys. I will show you. So initially, if you will use this ABCD pattern that we have discussed, take a look what has really happened. So market has touched the 100% extension right on the non-farm payrolls release retracement. On the next session, market has challenged it again, minor retracement. Take a look what has happened later. Shy upward action, grabbing the stops and drop down. So that was, I suggest that this was the wash and rinse of the stops, and this is the bearish sign. So stops has been grabbed and market turned right back down. So mission has been completed and market started to move down. At the same moment, if we will take greater ABCD pattern, this one, you will see the target has been quite reached, and it particularly stands right around 50% resistance on the daily chart, and that's why I am a bit doubt about starting the brand body, and I thought that what will happen if market will suddenly turn to this area. But right now, as you see the chances and the patterns that stands in favor immediate starting of the brand body, it's a bit overcome the chances of the further upward action and touching of this area. That's why in the current situation already the market drops as so far down, it's difficult to count on this another move up. But take a look from the other point of view. This could be some kind of the, I do not know, maybe diamond pattern or something of that sort could be formed. So as you can see, the situation is a bit tricky, and it's not really easy to make the final choice where to take the position and what really could happen. By current action, with this broadening in top, it mostly point that downward action probably should start somewhere from this area. So let's keep watching and let's focus on this scenario. Besides, I think that the 25 pips potential loss is not really the strategy. I think that this just combination is better. So place right now 25 pips stop, and if it will work, wait for another opportunity for taking short position, rather than right now to place stop somewhere above the 50% resistance and take 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So for me, it seems more it seems more correct just to take the risk of the 25 pips, and if it will be triggered, then wait for another opportunity rather than right now taking the stop for the 100 pips and see what will happen. So it's a bit too much risk for a current trade. That's why, guys, my conclusion on the euro currency is that it seems that bread and butter already has started based on the patterns that have been formed. And I think that the better entry plan is trying to take position around 110, placed up to the 110.25 above the 618. As soon as market will start reaction down on this area, because this will be not bad confluence resistance, this will be strong resistance area. As soon as market will touch it and start move down, moves up to the break even. Because if market will generate back down again, there's a chance that it will be broken and market will continue to move higher. That's simple logic. So first touch, taking the short, placing stop here, and watch for the move. As soon as market will show the reaction down, approximately for the 15-20 pips, maybe it will touch weekly pivot point, by the way, move your stop to the break even. So if this is really bread and butter and it's already has started, market should not show another retracement, because this retracement already has happened. So market has broken triangle, retested its border and dropped down. If market retests its border, reach the weekly pivot point again, return it back up, this will be a bit not quite logical behavior from the market. That's really turning to the downside. So I hope that we will succeed with this trade. But this is really, guys, sophisticated example of the bread and butter when you see the blur situation at the top and you don't have any clear patterns. That makes it difficult to make the final decision where to place stop, where to take the position. But that's my view, guys, is just as I said. So maybe you will find something more interesting and clear here. If you will find something, please place your posts on our forum in the weekly thread, so it will be interesting to read.